Hello, how's the best affiliate on the planet? Now today I'm going to show you the new wait step in the automation. It's got a few new features, so let's get into that. Okay, so if you go into the automations tab and if you go to wait, now what we have here is new conditions. So of course we've got the wait before a particular period of time, wait before an event. We can even wait before and after an invoice. So now we've got different conditions. So we can wait for a particular condition to get satisfied. For example, we can wait till they're tagged. The tag includes, and then whatever the affiliate tag, and press save. And then this special timeout feature where if we do it for 90 minutes, so what happens is that we're gonna wait for the lead to get tagged for 90 minutes. If it doesn't get tagged for 90 minutes, we go down this section. If we go down this part, now if they don't get tagged, we can, I don't know, send an SMS, send an email, or anything like that. Now another example can be the contact reply one, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna wait for the contact to reply to our email sent over here. So we can time it out. So let's wait for an hour and a half, 90 minutes. So we're gonna wait for them to reply, and if they reply, we're gonna go down this section. But then if they don't reply after 90 minutes, Highlevel is gonna wait for 90 minutes for them to reply, and if they don't, it go down this second branch here. So if they don't reply, we may want to SMS them. We may want to start again and just. We may even want to start again with the email and click that there, so it loops back around if they don't reply to the email. We also can wait till a trigger link is clicked. Also wait for email events, so we can wait till the email is opened, clicked, unsubscribed, complained, or bounced. Okay, that's on the mailgun. So let's say we want to wait till the email is open. So we can wait till it's open for an hour and a half. Then if it doesn't open, we can probably resend the email and just change a few things here and there. So essentially the new wait features are just combining the wait and the if else conditions in one. By the way, if you want one-on-one support with Highlevel, sign up to Highlevel through my link, get the free trial and get all these benefits here. One-on-one support, book as many Zoom calls as you want with me, all my snapshots and all those things. So that's the automation step. Please like the video, helps me out, and yeah, thank you.